Your guide to changing system locale in Windows. Seeing garbled text or installation errors from some programs? It's likely a system locale mismatch. In this video, we'll show you how to change system locale to fix these compatibility issues and ensure smooth operation. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding system locale and its importance. The system locale dictates the language for non-Unicode programs, impacting character encoding, time, and date formats. When an application isn't fully supported by the active encoding, you might see garbled text or encounter operational issues. Changing the locale ensures compatibility and proper display for these specific programs. How to check your current system locale. There are several ways to check your current system locale. Using Control Panel. Open the Control Panel, navigate to Clock and Region, then Region. In the Administrative tab, you'll find the language for non-Unicode programs. Using Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt, type CMD in Windows Search. Enter System Info Pipe find *B/C:, System Locale and press Enter to display the active locale. Using PowerShell, open PowerShell and type Get Win System Locale. Press Enter to see your system locale. Step-by-step guide to changing system locale in Windows. Once you know your current locale, updating it is simple. Using Control Panel. Go to Control Panel, select Clock and Region, then click Region. In the Administrative tab, under Language for Non-Unicode Programs, select your desired language and click OK. Remember to restart your PC. Using Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type. To open region settings, under Language for Non-Unicode Programs, click Change System Locale, select your desired locale, click OK, and restart your PC. Using PowerShell, open PowerShell as administrator. Use the CMD let, replacing locale name with your desired locale, example NUS. Restart your computer to apply changes. You may be prompted to download language packs. Troubleshooting common system locale issues and best practices. If you run into issues like distorted characters or grayed out settings, here are some troubleshooting tips. First, verify the locale update and language pack installation using Get Win System Locale or by checking the Control Panel. If settings are grayed out, ensure you have administrator privileges. For non-Unicode apps still not working, try running them in compatibility mode by right-clicking the program icon, going to Properties, and selecting the Compatibility tab. Only change system locale when necessary for non-Unicode applications, as most modern apps support Unicode. Always back up your data before making system-wide changes, and remember to restart your computer to apply the new settings. Remember that changing the locale for one program might affect others, potentially requiring you to switch language packs as needed. Remember, a quick adjustment to change system locale can make all the difference for those particular applications. It's a simple step that ensures your software runs smoothly, without any compatibility issues. For more information, check out our official blog post on changing system locale in Windows, a step-by-step guide linked in the description below.